If you like nature, greenery and birds, you'll feel welcomed at the Chandigarh Bird Park. Coming up, everything you want to know about Chandigarh Bird Park. Welcome back. We are in Chandigarh and today we are going to the newly opened Chandigarh Bird Park. We tried visiting this park a few weeks back and thankfully it was closed. So instead we visited Sukhna Lake. Why thankfully? You'll find out in this video. You can watch the video of our failed attempt to visit this place and of Sukhna Lake in the link in the description below. If you are a subscriber, you know we have been visiting places in and around Chandigarh. Links to all of them in the description below. If you're not a subscriber, we encourage you to join us by subscribing. Sandwiched between Sukhna Lake and the famous rock garden, Chandigarh Bird Park is an oasis in the city. Please note, Chandigarh Bird Park is closed for visitors on Monday and Tuesday. Before heading towards the bird park, we spent some time in the kids park, swinging, seesawing and taking pictures in the greenery. The Department of Forest and Wildlife, Chandigarh has developed Chandigarh Bird Park for creating awareness among general public towards bird conservation, especially the young minds on nature education and conservation. When kids were satisfied, we headed towards the bird park. Along the way, we saw some greenery, paved roads leading to astrology-themed botanical gardens. We also found these berries which we plucked and ate. Passing all these beautiful and well-crafted botanical gardens, we headed towards the ticket counter for the bird park. Spread across a wide area, the bird park is only a small section that is paid. The rest of the park and garden, which are astrology-themed botanical gardens, can be visited without any payment. The Chandigarh Bird Park has different exotic bird species, including aquatic, terrestrial, and tame. The two main enclosures are divided into water and aviary birds. The water birds section has two small and nice water fountains, along with a good number of ducks. Many attractions of this park are African lovebirds, white swan, black swan, wood duck, African grey parrot, and many others. The bird park is in a big area where the different enclosures are placed at distances. So carry water bottles and be prepared to walk.
Putting chains was a smart idea. Now these birds can't escape.
Amazingly, Aviary designs to hold birds in a large area rather than constraining them in a small cage. The Aviary section has a variety of parrots and famous blue and yellow macaw, which are kept in a special closed enclosure inside the Aviary section. You can get yourself a picture clicked with one of the macaws on your hand. But be careful not to touch them or trouble them. It's a must-visit place if you are in Chandigarh for the greenery and if you love birds. There is an attached canteen next to the ticket counter, which is pretty basic. Washrooms are spaced far apart, so be prepared to walk. If we had visited this bird park at 5:30 p.m. the other day, and it was open, we would have missed a lot of these birds and cool gardens. So thankfully, it was closed on that day. Parking is approx 800 meters away. That can be frustrating during summers, especially when you're exiting after the walk in the park. As we came out, we met this camel waiting in the parking lot. This offered us an opportunity for the quick photos. A half day well spent. This place is a good and should be part of any Chandigarh trip if you like nature and birds. Be sure to have more than 3 hours to fully explore this place. Thanks for sticking around. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't. As always, any questions or comment about this or any other video, please let us know.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bell icon को click कर देना.